NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be doing is breaking down my exact play and everything. And as the only guy in this space, I've done over 42,000 videos over 5 years. I've personally seen what's printing me money and what's not. Specifically with this, I'm looking to buy, of course. Is it going to be like an immediate long? No, of course not. So how is it going to look like? Well, waiting for confirmation, and I'm going to show you the exact way. Now, I've had so many previous receipts with NVTS. You can see like 27 results pop up here in the Discord server. That's that. Yeah, this was so decent because I started buying when it was $5. 508, aiming for 750. Now we're 6th. And honestly, if there is no confirmation, like what I'm saying by confirmation, like a proper double break shift, that I'm not going to be buying. And that's what I'm waiting for. And I guess you can look at it as the way you want, but I'm sticking to my rules that I've tested. So if you want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, enjoy.